The purpose behind the ball drop is really to raise money for new technicians in gaining interest into the marketplace.
So the Collision Repair Education Foundation is the automotive collision industry's national 501c3 charity that supports all high school and college collision school programs, students, and instructors around the country. So knowing that the funds were going to help Wisconsin schools, as GFS, we've worked with them in the past. They were more than willing to host the event, and they, with their relationship with the Ringbrothers, got them involved. So it was a collaboration, and I want to say thank you to all the different people that bought the 600 golf balls. And hopefully we can do this event each year to help raise money for Wisconsin schools.
Global is a participant in the collision repair market, and we think it's important to invest in our future and the youth of America to grow our industry and our business. Our whole staff was excited to be able to participate with the Ringbrothers and CREF and be a part of this to raise money for a good cause. That excitement actually expanded out past just GFS. It went out to our community, former employees, partners of ours throughout the United States. In Canada also participated. So we're really proud of the turnout.
So the funds are going to be distributed between 4 different high school and college collision school programs here in Wisconsin. So that will go towards purchasing tools, equipment, supplies that some of these programs can't afford. So we offer scholarships, school grants, and since 2009, we've awarded over $400 million worth of support to these programs, which are in desperate need of financial and product donations to help get these students ready for employment within the industry.
We tagged along to do this event because it's so important for the Ringbrothers. For us, we have a collision and we also have a high-end car building, and the biggest thing in our industry is techs, right? And to support the local techs and the schools to get us and the young people involved in our industry, it's really important. So the least we could do is get together and raise some money. So to bring a car they normally don't see on the street, and to show them high-end builds that people get into this industry not only for the money, but for the passion of cars.
So the reason this is important to us is because there's a need in the industry for qualified technicians, and we wanted to invest to make sure that we can provide education opportunities and continue to grow the industry.